Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Prep World. In this video, we will be continuing with our IELTS speaking mock test series. As you have seen in other videos, we have taken up certain topics and told you the sample answers plus certain tips and tricks that can make your answer go from band 6 to band 8. In this video, we will be continuing with that only so that you get to practice almost all the topics that are generally asked in your IELTS speaking exam. So, without any much ado, let's start. Today's topic is all about art and creativity. Whether you are an artist or not, this question might come in your IELTS speaking test. And if it does, how you are going to answer? Well, that's what we are here for. Let us tell you. Hi, can you tell me your full name, please?
Hi, I'm Dipali Malhotra.
Hi Dipali, I'm going to be your examiner for your IELTS speaking test today. We will be starting up with part 1, but I'm going to ask you certain questions. So, let's start with that. Okay, so tell me, do you enjoy making things with your hands?
Yes, definitely. I find it really relaxing to create something from scratch. Whether it's a DIY project or just doodling, it helps me clear my head.
Have you ever taken part in any art or craft activity in your school?
Yes, we used to have annual craft competitions. I remember once we made eco-friendly Diwali decoration using paper and fabric. It was fun and also taught us about sustainability.
Okay, so do you prefer art or do you prefer craft?
I think I prefer crafts mainly because it involves working with your hands and using different textures. It feels more interactive compared to traditional painting or sketching.
Last question, is art important in education? What do you think?
Absolutely. Art allows students to express themselves in non-verbal ways. It also improves imagination and problem solving, which are useful beyond just the classroom.
Great answers. The answers were really structured, they were top notch with vocabulary and also with grammar. Now, let's move on to part 2. So, Dipali, this is going to be a part 2 of your IELTS speaking test, wherein I'm going to provide you a cue card with a question. You will be having 1 minute to think over the pointers, what you are going to put in your answers, and then you have to speak for 2 to 3 minutes. So, let's start. Your cue card is, describe a piece of art or craft you made. You should say what you made, when you made it, how you made it, and how you felt after making it.
One piece of craft I made was a hand-painted nameplate for my cousin's wedding. It was during the lockdown, and I had some extra time and access to acrylic paints, wood boards, and a lot of Pinterest inspiration. I started by designing the couple's initial in a floral font and sketched it lightly with pencil. Then I painted it with earthy tones and added golden accents. I also added a coat that matched their love story and decorated the border with tiny wood beads. The whole process took about 2 days, and I enjoyed every bit of it. When I gifted it to them, they were genuinely touched and later even hung it at the entrance of their new wedding home. It felt amazing to see how something handmade could carry so much meaning. That moment made me realize how art can make people feel loved and valued.
That was really a concise and beautiful answer. Now let's move on to part 3. I'm going to ask you certain questions based on your part 2. Okay? So your first question is, do you think creativity is something people are born with or they can learn?
I think it's a bit of both. Some people have natural flair, but creativity can definitely be nurtured. With the right environment and encouragement, anyone can develop creative skills.
Okay, how does technology influence creativity today? What do you think on that?
Technology has expanded creativity in amazing ways, from digital art to 3D painting and even AI-generated designs. It gives people more tools to express themselves. At the same time, it can sometimes make people too reliant on shortcuts.
Okay, in your opinion, Dipali, can anyone be good at art or craft?
Maybe not everyone can be great, but everyone can enjoy the process. The point of art isn't just to be perfect, it's to express something. So yes, with practice and passion, anyone can create something meaningful.
That was great. All the answers Dipali said were really structured in their grammar. You could see how she provided a particular timeline to her answers and also used of certain phrases that were relatable to her topic. These kinds of pointers can actually help you to ace your score from band 6 to band 8. With that, that's a wrap for today's episode. We will be coming up with more podcast series, more episodes for you where we will be taking up certain topics that can actually come in your IELTS speaking test and can be a hurdle in your scores. So make sure you keep following us, watch all the videos regularly, and comment down if you face any problem or if you think that a certain topic that is needed to be taken. We will definitely take up that. Till then, bye bye.